Web development for beginners. Today's topic is template optimization. This is the last test index page we have developed. And today's goals is to develop such kind of template index page. This is a lot, some change, some difference from the last time. For example, there's a navigation type, navigation part. Also, we have added the Amazon link of each books. Firstly, I think I'd like to talk about the error template. When we access some site or some link, sometimes the link are not exist or not found. So there's some written page like this and not found. But this is very simple error page. This is very default error page. But we want to, for example, if we want to develop such kind of error template page, if we access some page like this, like local 5004, and we return such kind of page, like page not found 404 error page, and go back to the index page. But how to achieve such kind of goal? Firstly, we need the error template. We have created 404 HTML template. It's most the same as the index page, but this is just the contents is different. Page not found. We didn't display the book information like the age, and the title. But how to can this error page? I think there is a very simple there's a flags function, arrow hand, a reject function to handle such kind of 404 HTML arrow page. This is very simple. You just use such kind of reject function and to handle the arrow page. And for example, I have created the function page not found and get the users and pass the users to the page to the default to the 04 error page. For example, this name here is the user. Okay. I think we at the same time return the 404 and the status number. Another part, we just actually we have used the users information in the error page, also index page. But if there are a lot of index page, we have to query our database again and again. This is waste a lot of resource and time, and so we can create context process to create a dictionary that using such kind of context process function return a dictionary. This is equal return the user and the user. Each page, each template can be used the comma user's information in the template. So this will save our resource. Okay, we just talked about the error page. Today another topic is base template. We have created the arrow page, and also index page. From now, we may create another other pages, but there are some common part. But we don't need to create the HTML in each template. We just use the base template, and other template just extend or inherit the base template, the common part. For example, we have created such kind of base HTML template, and we have had included the block head and beginning with the block head and end with the end block. And also there is a mentor. We have created, we have inserted the mentor information, the name, viewpoint, and content. Yeah, and also we have created the we have created the navigation part. This is a very new part. For example, the home for the home part, and also there is also just in click. This will be back to the index page, and also of course this is just home item in such kind of navigation uh, part. Maybe in the future we could create the other navigation item, like the, for example, like the book and so on. And of course, as a blog content in each after this base template be extended by other template, and you can you can create your each blog content by each page, page template. And this is beginning with such kind of beginning blog content, and as the end block, you can just create it here. And also there is also footer part. For example, this is the index HTML. It's different from the before. We use the extends to extend the base HTML, and as our blog component, we can for example, we can create such kind of displayed form to display the book title and book year. At the same time, we have add the span of the Amazon link. This is just pass the book title to the Amazon search function, and also Amazon links. Yeah, actually, as navigation, as a navigation part, we have using some kind of new CS style. As Amazon link, we have also have a different CS style. Yeah, you just use it. For example, also the 404 ATM, we can just use the base template. For example, extend the base ATM, as a block content, we just use the page not fault information displayed for our arrow page template. So it's become very simple. Yeah. Okay. The next I'd like to the coding part. To do the coding part. Okay. This is the coding part. Yeah. For example, this day6, I have created template. Therefore, the first template. For example, I flask long. Okay, let's go to the for. Oh, now it's become the R page, page not fault, 404 ATM. For example, click go back. We can get this one. The next is about the base ATM. This I have created here. Is same as the slides part. For example, I want to the ATM index ATM. This is the first version we have created last time, but we just use the we just want to use the use the base ATM. Okay, now we can use the book style, book year, and yeah, this just use this one for books, for booking books, and also we have added Amazon linked with certain kind of ATM, and also okay, as the app, we have added the context process for the user. The returned dictionary is equal return user and user. And also we have created the page not found for handling the 404 ATM. And yeah, this is uh, uh, the today's course about how to process uh, the template optimization. For example, at the index HTML, now we just I think we have created. Now we just use the here, and therefore we can change it. We just use this one. Yeah, yeah. This is changed. Just yeah, this one. Okay, and we refresh again. Okay, it's okay. For okay, page not found is same as before, and we written before Amazon link books. Yeah, and this is our site we have developed today. This is the code we have created. First 104 ATM, second base ATM, and then this is a new new extensed ATM. So we delete the old one. Yeah. Okay. The next we should add our contents. Git add git commit. Yeah, and template optimization git push. Okay, we needed to git push git okay git push. Okay, now it's have pushed our GitHub. Let's check it. GitHub. Okay, now the day6 file have been uploaded to the here. So okay, I think today's topic is over. If you like my video, please subscribe our channel and give comments. Thank you. See you in next time.